Good afternoon and welcome back. I'm going to have to apologize for yesterday. Someone stole our portable navigation and chargers out of my car this week, so my iPhone went dead and I was unable to bring you lunch at the markets yesterday because I was on the road. Be sure though that the copy was sitting in my inbox done in time. The guys back at the office are great about making sure you have fresh news available on a daily basis. When the market is open, I want to give them a shout out for that. I also want to apologize for this horrible grainy picture that you're receiving when we have people out of the office and traveling. They tend to take the good equipment with them, so be sure that next week, middle of next week, we should have ourselves back to our usual good picture. But we all know that you're not here to look at my pretty face, you're here to hear the news, so let's get to that. We have 2 days in a row that we saw the market weak into the close. Yesterday petered out pretty good. But we remain somewhat surprised by the strength of this market. Start selling upside calls in your stocks. If you can get a decent premium for March calls, we would encourage you to do so, to take in some cash, just in case you see the market roll over from what may become an overbought condition. Today we're looking at BVN. That's the Peruvian mining company that mines everything from lead and zinc to copper, gold, and silver. They're down today as gold seems to have caught a bid. They have had strikes recently, but the stock is still down from its recent high of around $40. It goes back to $32. If it goes back to $32, we'd buy it again. It did fall below $33 briefly at the open. If you followed our recommendation and bought Cosign Limited, CZZ, in a very low $7 and change level, go ahead and take some of that off and run a victory lap as the stock is now firmly above $9 and you're about 30% up about 30% in a matter of a few weeks. A123 Systems caught a bid after a call around $16 level, so if you're trading it, it opened this morning to close $18. Take your $2 and go home. If you're investing, you can build your position if you get another chance below 17. Bristol Meyers Squibb was weak yesterday and is up only fractionally today. Huge yield, great portfolio of drugs, better than average dividend. Take a look at BMY. Finally, CMED is down today after being down 5% yesterday. It looks like forward PE is around 13.08. The company is looking for 26 cents from its next quarter in EPS. Take that out to 4 quarters and you get 13.08. Not bad considering the EPS was down 61% year over year, but the 159.7% quarter over sequential quarter. You see the same story in revenue. The CEO is calling for a turnaround and pointed out that their molecular diagnostic business is seeing some tremendous growth. Also, they're seeing price stabilization for several of their reagent kits and probes. They completed the trial launch of their SPR system and are targeting the 30 top-tier hospitals each quarter. They're waiting for the SFDA approval on several new molecular diagnostic products as well as immunodiagnostic products that will expand the breadth and strength of their product portfolio. The company is looking for, quote, the company to experience another phase of accelerated growth in later quarters. They generated $11 million in net cash flow, and we have had the company on our radar for some time. Down 5%, we think this is a good place to initiate or build your position in China Medical Technologies, symbol CMED. Take a look at it today. Thanks for joining us at Lunch at the Markets, and we'll see you tomorrow.